Okay, now you guys should be able to see things. Hopefully you don't fall off. My bad. I forgot I had the exposure down all the way. I was riding during the day yesterday. Let the bike warm up, and we're on our way. At 6 a.m., heading out to work. Middle of October. Raining. The only reason I'm doing this right now. Good, I can't take the E46 because it's not insured yet. It still needs new tires. E4, my brother needs it for work, so does my sister. So, we're rocking the Marauder in the middle of the rain. So, let's get to it. I'll see you guys on the road. But first, my seat's gonna be soaked. Main difference about riding in the rain and dry is just taking your time, being slow. You guys might be hearing a bit more wind noise than usual. I have the visor popped open. This visibility to others on me is different now because I'm also just wearing like all black. Basically black backpack, black helmet, black bike. Let's see how this goes. Gotta go well. Like this for about 45 minutes and we should be good. This is nerve-wracking as hell. It wasn't as bad last time. Last time was just the fog. This time there's actual rain. Shit. Oh. Oh well, it builds character. Builds dad lore. Kids whining about not going to school and getting a ride in the car. Like, hey, I went to work on a bike. It was raining. At 5 a.m. pitch black. Oh, the dad lore is going to be a mess. The nice thing is that there's no street lights here. Further down they don't. From what I remember. Okay, it ends right here, I think. But the thing is real. Tinted visor at night? Hell no, man. I can't see shit. Can't see anything. I'll try not to filter over top of the video so you guys can like sort of recreate what I see. Because the camera is going to pick up a lot more than what I actually see. For example, I missed all those potholes. I knew they were coming up, I just didn't know where because I can't see them. To my left. When they come by, the light shows me where the line is. Should have put on the clear visor of the helmet. Regretting that so much right now. Thought it'd be a great idea to record more than one motovlog on the ride to work, but seeing that it's requiring me to use all my focus and attention to actually like, know where the road goes. This is just all going to be one giant motovlog. I can't even tell how fast I'm going because, well, the light doesn't seem to work right now. It should. Oh shit, I just realized. I can't see right now, but the water has covered the entire area to my left. That's like a pivot. Torrential rain for a couple of days, man. If the water's still here, shit, there might be puddles up front. So there might be tons of puddles up front. I won't get soaked. Fuck. Fuck. If that's the case, I'm screwed. And I mean puddles, I mean like water buildup on the highway. If that's the case, then I'm screwed, guys. Holy. I know my legs are already soaked through. I wonder how people in the office are going to react. Like, why the fuck did you come here on a bike when it's raining? Like 5:45, 6 a.m. You taking an Uber? Oh, that's bad. Take a ride? No car. Honestly, I did a motovlog the other day saying that might be my last consistent ride. Honestly, today going to and from work might be my last consistent ride. Because I know I'm insured E46 by the end of the week. Since I'm now going back into the office more than just two days a week in the upcoming month. I was able to make do for so long. Now it's time to get back. Look at his headlights on. Well, now that we're near the bridge, and that just means that we're close. Maybe another 10-15 minutes on the highway, we can exit into town. Watch up here, stay close to the tank. Go across the bridge. Now, just gotta be careful here. It honestly feels a little more slippery than before. There's definitely water built up here. Do I regret this? Not really. Is it stupid? Yes. Oh man, those legs are going to freeze. Can't go in the ditch, can't go in the ditch. Where the fuck you going, bike? Shit. Oh, that was sketchy as fuck. Hey guys, and if you guys are still watching, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below and hitting the like button, because I honestly, this is a stupid decision on my end, on my part. But hey, you guys are here, if you're interested, check out ravenmode.co. Pick up the Diablo that I'm using right now. Keep my hands warm-ish while I'm riding to work. One last thing. Oh yeah. Oh, totally going to neutral for me, man. Sweet. One last thing before we head to the office. Gotta hit up the gas station and grab some lunch. That's some breakfast. Oh, almost step on me now, buddy. Not right when we get to town. Holy hell, that was one hell of an ordeal. No more tinted visors at night. No more tinted visors at night. Alright guys, we're at the office. I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thank you all for coming with me. My legs are completely soaked through. Everything else is dry. So, with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this and are happy that I survived, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below and hitting that like button, and thank you all for watching till the end. I appreciate all of you. Alright, adios.